This is how the morning starts in Ghizer Valley. Streams flowing through the valley. Geyser showing its real colors, that deep blue water moving gently through the valley. Phander opening up. Honestly, this place feels unreal. Peaceful, wide open, untouched. But the road through Geyser has its own story, so we fade back to the landscape and roll out on the bike. Riding through this beautiful stretch of Geyser, sunlight coming right through the trees, and then I see a few kids walking to school, backpacks on, smiling at the bike passing by. It's such a simple moment, but honestly, it made the whole ride feel warm, like the valley's waking up, and we're just moving along with it. Everywhere you turn, golden trees, golden light, the whole valley feels like it's wrapped in autumn. It's warm, peaceful, and honestly, one of the best views you'll get this time of year. Phander Valley is located within the Ghizer district of northern Pakistan. The region includes several notable destinations such as Gupis and Yasin Valley, each known for their distinct landscapes and cultural significance. The main highway through Geyser is currently under construction, with major sections being upgraded. However, the road leading into Phander Valley still follows the older asphalt route. Once you exit Phander, the terrain changes again, and the road ahead transitions back into the under construction section. This river originates in Langar Meadows and continues its course all the way to Gilgit, running parallel to the road for most of the journey. Here, the contrast between the bright blue water and the golden autumn trees creates one of the most striking landscapes in the Geyser region. At this point, the landscape becomes clear. Ahead, snow-covered peak dominate the horizon. Alongside the road, dense forests stretch as far as the eye can see. The combination of rugged peaks and lush greenery creates an outstanding view, one that defines this region's natural beauty. So, this place actually had a wooden bridge once, but after a huge landslide in Taalidas, the water level went way up, and now the whole bridge is underwater. Even a few houses are partially drowned here. Since the bridge is gone, people cross the river using this chairlift dolly system. It's literally their daily commute now, swinging over the river to get from one side to the other. Up ahead is Taalidas village. This place was hit by a massive landslide just about 2 months back, and we will see how much it's affected. We continued toward the section of the valley where a recent landslide had blocked the road. The collapse had affected several homes in the area. Our goal was to reach the site, observe the damage, and understand how the landslide had impacted the local community. The route ends at this point. A major landslide has not only blocked the road, but also obstructed the river's flow. With the natural channel closed, the river level has risen significantly, flooding the surrounding area. This is the alternative road that is being constructed a few days ago. It will be a lot steeper and muddy, but let's add another adventure to our tour. This alternative road is constructed through Taalidas village. This is Taalidas, seen here during the flood. I had to go by foot for this part of steep, while my friend riding the bike. This part is serious off-road. The slope is so steep that whenever you're traveling on public transport, like a Ghizer, they first offload all the passengers. Everyone stands aside, waiting, and then the Ghizer goes up alone. It climbs the whole stretch by itself and meets everyone again on the stable side of the road. Pretty wild, but that's how things work here. Alright, so this is the spot where the landslide hit the village. There used to be trees here, houses, everything. And now it's all buried under this massive slide. Riding here, it's hard to imagine what this place looked like before. The government is trying to open the river exit, so water can flow like it used to. But this landslide is huge, and they might have to build the new road onto this alternative path. It's going to take months to clear all that debris. Finally, we hit a fresh patch of the new highway. Smooth road, no bumps. Honestly, such a relief. And you can already imagine, once this whole highway is finished, tourism here is going to jump to a whole new level. This place is going to get the attention it truly deserves. Here you have a majestic view of Ghizer Valley. Just a few more kilometers to go, and we'll be entering Ghizer. This is Ghizer Bazaar, the central marketplace of Ghizer Valley. We left Phander Valley around 8:30 in the morning, and now it's almost 4 p.m., and we're finally close to Gilgit. It's been a long ride, but such an amazing day. I truly enjoyed the whole ride today. What a beautiful views today we had. We'll stay in Gilgit tonight, relax a bit, and tomorrow we're heading out to explore Naltar Valley. So this right here, this is Sherkilla village in wide open valley. Clean mountain air, and the whole place just feels calm and untouched. One of those spots where you just stop. Between Ghizer and Gilgit, most of the roadway is now newly asphalted, providing a smoother and safer drive. However, some sections are still under construction, with uneven patches that require slower speeds and extra caution. Finally, the last rough patch before Gilgit. Alright guys, here we are, about to enter Gilgit. See you soon in Naltar Valley.